Shining the spotlight on glaucoma, the silent thief of sight. Did you know that 60 million people around the world have glaucoma, but only half even know they have it? And if left untreated, glaucoma can lead to blindness. It has stolen the vision of 8.4 million people around the world. That number is expected to increase to over 11 million by 2020. Your eye and a bicycle tire have one thing in common. Both require the right amount of internal pressure for safety and performance. Glaucoma is a group of eye diseases that lead to progressive damage to the optic nerve, and elevated eye pressure can be a risk factor for the disease. Glaucoma can cause irreversible loss of vision and eventually blindness. So, who's at risk? Older people are more likely to get glaucoma, but it can affect people of all ages. It is a leading cause of blindness for African Americans, and Hispanics and older age groups have greater risk of developing the disease. African Americans are 15 times more likely to suffer from vision loss than Caucasians. And having a family history of glaucoma or certain medical conditions can also increase risk. But unfortunately, there's just no way of knowing. There are no noticeable symptoms, and people can lose up to 40% of their vision before they realize they have glaucoma, so regular eye exams are essential. Patients living with glaucoma can be treated, so schedule your exam today.